In today's video, I'll be showing you 2 ways on how to use moringa to grow your hair. So these are my before clips. Okay, this is my hair before and this is my hair after. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you 2 ways on how to use moringa powder and neem powder for maximum hair growth. So if this is what you're interested in, please do well to subscribe to the channel, like, share and comment, and let's get started. The first ingredient we need is olive oil, and I'm going to be adding Jamaica black castor oil. I'm adding neem powder, and I'm also going to be using moringa powder as well. And this is my shea butter. So the first recipe is to do a shea butter, a moisturizing butter, hair grow butter, moisturizing butter. It's going to help you out to grow your hair, seal in your hair. You know, shea butter has a moisturizing property that helps in moisturizing your hair. So if you're suffering from dry hair, use shea butter. Okay, so I'm going to be using this teaspoon to measure all the ingredients I'll be adding inside. Okay, olive oil is really amazing for sealant and for moisture, and black Jamaica castor oil is for hair growth. Okay, and it has other amazing properties for your hair. So I'm going to be adding in a teaspoon of moringa powder, all right, and also a teaspoon of neem powder. So moringa powder is a moisturizing, it strengthens your hair, it promotes hair growth. Okay, it protects your scalp from being damaged, it protects your hair from being damaged. All right, so moringa powder is a moisturizing, conditioning, protecting, strengthening, and it helps with hair growth. So I just mix everything together. I will sieve this, and I'll allow this to sit for a while in your fridge, maybe up to 1 hour. Okay, why did I strain it? So that I can remove the chaff. All right, I don't want the chaff being in my butter. Yes, so I'm going to strain, then allow this to, you know, solidify, you understand? So it has to like sit in the fridge for it to mold. When it molds, then you will use our whisker, or what I call it, mixing machine, to mix it to a very smooth consistency. Okay, and again, it adds shines to your hair. Okay, it also can help you when it comes to hair loss, like it can control hair loss for you. Okay, it's a natural detangler. Okay, so all this I am calling is so amazing when you are using moringa on your hair. So I'm going to also be telling you guys benefits of neem powder as well. Neem powder strengthens your hair follicles, it reduces the risk of breakage and hair loss. Okay, it is full with nourishment like fatty acid that helps your hair to grow. Okay, and help you to get new hair growth, healthy length. Okay, so neem powder is awesome, okay, for hair growth. So I'm just going to be mixing everything together, and after mixing it, I'll transfer this in my application bottle or my jar for storage. Okay, this is how it is. It's so soft. Like when you apply this on your hair stays really soft and moisturized, and it also leaves your hair shiny as well. So besties, if you watched this extent, thank you so much for watching. Please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe if you have not, share, bit of comment. I will also be showing you how I use the same ingredient to make a hair growth tea for your hair. So this is what I'm going to be doing for the hair growth tea: my moringa powder as well. I'll be adding neem powder, amala powder. I added this is a neem powder. The other one was animal powder. This is neem powder. I added this one, okay, which is rosemary, and I also added this fennel seed. Okay, so this is what I used to make this hair growth tea, and it's really packed with amazing nutrients. Okay, so I used these two together on my hair, and my hair really thrived. Okay, my hair really thrived. So I'm going to show you guys at the end of the video 2 weeks of using this. Okay, I use this for 2 weeks. For storage, you store this in your fridge. Okay, this batch I did is for 1 week. After the 1 week, I did a new batch, so I use the same recipe for 2 weeks, and at the end of the video I'll show you guys what my hair looks like. So this, I allow this to So this, I allow this to sit for 8 to 12 hours. After 8 to 12 hours, you strain and you use it on your hair. Okay, so love, if you watched to this extent, thank you so much for watching. You are the best. If you watched to this time, please let me know in the comment section. So I'm going to be transferring this in my spray bottle, and I'll take you guys to application, and also I'll be taking you guys to, at the ending of the video, you see the hair growth I have. So for application, I spray this on my hair. Okay, this is my hair on day 1. I spray it on my hair. After spraying it on my hair, I follow in with the rest of my routine by adding in my okra gel. I added leave-in condition. I added my oils and my hair grease before I use the shea butter mixture. Okay, hair growth mixture, which I just created. So after spraying the tea on my hair, I go in with all those other routine, which I always do almost every time on my video. If you're an OG, you know the routine I always do. Okay, so I spray, massage. Make sure you massage this in on your hair. This is going to, you know, penetrate your hair much better. Use this when it's warm, not when it's cold. So I'm done with the rest of the routine. So here I just added in the shea butter mixture, which I did. That is the hair growth, moringa hair growth butter I just did. Okay, so this is what I am just applying on my hair. I apply this from the roots of my hair to the tips of my hair. After that, the last thing I do is to use my scalp massager to massage my scalp. Sorry guys. Then this is 2 weeks after. Okay, after the first day I just show you guys, this is 2 weeks after. This is my hair. This is in the morning. Okay, so I've not done any treatment on my hair. So this is how my hair looks like in the morning. All right, so my hair has grown. There's a lot of growth. Okay, there's a lot of growth of my hair. I can't believe that this is really awesome. Try this out. Your hair is going to love it. Like, can you see from the place I'm holding to the other side? See, there's a lot of hair growth from the past few days ago, that's 2 weeks ago, and now this is my hair growth. I hope you enjoyed this video with me. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe if you have not, share, beautiful comment, and happy new month guys. Happy new month. This month shall bring us goodness, fruitfulness, and joy. So please stay subscribed to the channel, like, share, and comment, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye for now.